In this video, we will learn how to convert PPT to Word document. So let's start. This is my PowerPoint's PPT. So this is my presentation. So here I'm going to convert PPT to Word document. So go to the file and then click on the more option and click on the export. Then here the click on the change file tab, click on the save as. Then as a file tab, select here the first PDF. Then your PPT save in your location. So I save here on desktop and I go to the desktop and here my PPT is saved. Just right click of the mouse and click on the open with, then click on the choose another app and here click on the more app, then select the Word document and click on OK and wait for the few seconds, then click on OK and that's it. Your PPT is converted in Word document. So hope you understand. If you like this video, please subscribe. Thank you so much.